Hey there, tech-savvy friends. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest app tricks to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into how to cancel an order on the Sonic app in 2025. Whether you accidentally ordered the wrong item or changed your mind, canceling is straightforward if you act fast. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the Sonic app updated to the latest version for 2025. This ensures you have all the newest features and a smooth experience. Open the app on your smartphone and log in with your account credentials. If you're not logged in, that's your starting point. Tap that login button and enter your details. Once you're in, head over to the My Orders or Order History section. It's usually found at the bottom of the screen in a tab or menu. Here, you'll see a list of your recent and pending orders. Scroll through until you find the one you want to cancel. Tap on that order to open its details. Now, look for the options available on the order page. In 2025, the Sonic app has made this super user-friendly. There should be a Cancel Order button or a similar prompt. If the order is still in the processing or pending stage, you can proceed. Tap Cancel, and the app might ask for a reason or confirmation to prevent accidental cancels. Go ahead and select Yes or Confirm to finalize it. After you confirm, keep an eye out for a confirmation message or email from Sonic. This will let you know the cancellation was successful, and any payments might be refunded depending on their policy. Remember, you need to do this quickly. Most apps have a time limit, like within an hour of placing the order, so don't wait too long. If the order has already shipped or is past the cancellation window, you might need to contact Sonic's customer support directly through the app's help section. It's always a good idea to double-check the app's terms for any specific rules. And that's it, you've just mastered canceling an order on the Sonic app in 2025. This simple process saves you time and hassle, so you can get back to enjoying your day. If this tutorial helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more how-to guides, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.